Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Pure AI podcast, where the flesh and blood reporters do the legwork and AI jumps in for the last mile audio. I'm John K. Waters, editor-in-chief in the Converge 360 group of 1105 Media. My partner in crime today is our illustrious editorial director, Gladys Rama. Hi, Gladys.
Hi, John. Hi, everyone. Today we're looking at 3 recent stories published in Pure AI.
This is going to be a quick one, just to bring our listeners up to date. More analysis when you're back from your European adventure.
I'll bring you back some French cheese.
Always thinking about your people. So, first up, chatbots are learning to redesign your business workflows, one conversation at a time. Researchers have introduced a new technique called Conversational Process Model Redesign, CPD, that allows business users to modify and improve workflow diagrams by simply interacting with AI chatbots. Rather than using complex tools or learning business process model and notation, BPMN, users can describe changes in natural language, such as add an approval step after task B, and the AI will generate the updated process model. This method was tested on major LLMs including GPT-4o, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and Mistral, showing strong early promise. The innovation addresses a major challenge in business process management: the communication gap between domain experts and technical modelers. CPD uses a structured pipeline that includes intent recognition, pattern matching from a library of 18 change types, and automated diagram updates. In tests involving 64 users, 8 of the patterns were applied successfully more than 30% of the time. Although not yet flawless, the system demonstrates how AI can democratize process redesign. Interestingly, the user studies revealed unexpected trends. Participants often used everyday phrases like summarize or split into steps instead of formal BPM terminology. This prompted researchers to introduce 5 new change patterns and a rename node function, the latter of which emerged as a frequent yet unsupported request. These additions reflect a bottom-up approach to tool development grounded in real user behavior. Looking ahead, the team is working on hybrid models where LLMs manage language interpretation while deterministic engines handle structural updates. They're also planning enhancements like intent clarification prompts, pattern recommendations, and document-aware workflows, features reminiscent of developer tools like GitHub Copilot, but designed for business operations. Ultimately, the researchers believe CPD could transform process design from a niche technical task into something accessible to any employee with a browser and a chatbot. By removing barriers like technical jargon and complex tools, the AI-driven system empowers teams to iterate quickly and collaborate more effectively. The future of business process redesign may be as simple as having a conversation, the study concludes.
Our second story, Generative AI Surpasses Cybersecurity in 2025 Tech Budgets, is based on a new report from Amazon Web Services, AWS. It reveals that generative AI has overtaken cybersecurity as the top IT budget priority for 2025, according to a global survey of 3,739 senior IT decision makers. The AWS Generative AI Adoption Index shows that 45% of organizations plan to invest primarily in generative AI, compared to 30% for security. While cybersecurity remains a critical component, particularly in the context of responsible AI use, leaders are shifting focus toward AI's transformative business potential. The survey, conducted across 9 countries and multiple industries, found that 90% of organizations are already using generative AI tools, with nearly half moving beyond pilot programs into production. Adoption is being institutionalized as 60% of companies have named a chief AI officer or similar leader, and 92% plan to hire for AI related roles in 2025. A growing trend is the use of hybrid development strategies, where companies combine off the shelf models with internal data and customization.
We also reported on a U.S. Food and Drug Administration announcement about a rapid expansion within the agency of generative AI across its operations, following a highly successful pilot program and scientific review. Commissioner Martin A. McCary stated that all FDA centers are expected to integrate secure generative AI systems by June 30, 2025. The move is part of a broader effort to streamline internal processes, reduce manual workload, and speed up evaluations. We need to value our scientists' time, Makari said, emphasizing the technology's ability to eliminate inefficient busy work. The pilot program demonstrated significant gains in productivity. Tasks that previously took days to complete were reduced to minutes, according to Dr. Jinzhong Liu, Deputy Director in the Center for Drug Evaluation and Research. The rollout is being led by newly appointed Chief AI Officer Jeremy Walsh and Sridhar Mantha, a seasoned tech leader at the FDA. Their strategy includes deploying a standardized AI infrastructure across all centers, fully integrated with FDA's internal systems and data sources. Looking ahead, the FDA will continue refining the platform post-launch to enhance usability and tailor outputs for specific departmental needs. Plans include deeper document integration and more adaptive, secure AI tools. Commissioner McCary stressed that the agency is shifting from discussion to execution. "It is time to take action," he said. Further technical documentation and progress reports are expected to be made public in June.
And that's it for this short episode of the Pure AI podcast. Before we go, I wanted to mention an upcoming event you won't want to miss. Visual Studio Live, happening this August at Microsoft headquarters in Redmond, Washington.
From August 4th to 8th, join fellow developers, Microsoft engineers, and industry experts for 5 days of deep dive hands-on training. Whether you're building with .NET, Blazor, Azure, or tapping into the power of GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and the semantic kernel, this event puts you at the epicenter of modern app development. Head to vslive.com to view the full agenda and register. So, Gladys, have a lovely break. We'll keep the lights on until you return.
I'll be happy if you just don't burn the place down. Au revoir.